Hello everyone, welcome to today's weather planning briefing. My name is Leanne. It is June 2nd and I will be walking you through this week's weather impacts and concerns. So here's a brief summary of what is coming up in the next several days. Basically today through Thursday we're expecting mostly dry conditions with seasonable temperatures. There are a few places on the periphery of our forecast area that could see some showers in the afternoon, but for the most part, like I said, mostly dry and very comfortable seasonable temperatures. By Friday, however, we're transitioning into a prefrontal environment, which means conditions will be hotter and more unstable under southwesterly flow, and anytime those conditions happen, we usually get thunderstorms. So we are expecting thunderstorms on Friday afternoon and evening. And then again, I have this next bullet, Friday night, storms could continue overnight. So nocturnal storms, especially possible Friday night into Saturday morning. Post-frontal, Saturday through Sunday and into Monday even, we're expecting a cooler and wetter pattern with below normal temperatures and the chance for heavy rain. So Tuesday through Thursday, here's a look at high temperature examples on the left and minimum humidity values on the right, and this is by Thursday afternoon, so these are the highest temps and the lowest RHs by this point. And you can see temperatures are basically in most areas in the 70s to low 80s, a couple of 60s in there in the higher valleys, and upper terrain in the 50s. And the humidities on the flip side are in the mid-20s in most places, some higher values over in north central Idaho and across northwest Montana. By Friday, however, you can see those temperatures on the left really jump up by Friday afternoon under that warmer, more unstable southwesterly flow. Temperatures will range in the 90s to upper 80s. Northwest Montana will be in the low to mid 70s. And then the min humidity values will be down into the mid 20s and low 20s across southwest Montana, with higher values further to the west and north. And then on Saturday and Sunday, after we get rid of the cold front, this low pressure area that I have highlighted here will wrap moisture around the center of the low as it shifts into Idaho. And in doing so, we could see some heavy rain, particularly across north central Idaho into west central Montana. Now the placement in the amounts are still up for question since this is about 5 or 6 days out yet, but confidence is pretty high that we'll see below normal temperatures for at least 2 to 3 days and a period of fairly steady, if not periodic, rainfall for most places. There is also the concern that by Sunday night into Monday, maybe even Monday night into Tuesday of next week, we could see snow levels lower across portions of west central Montana and into north central Idaho down to about 5,000 feet. Now that's worst case scenario, but we're still looking at that, but it is a possibility, so I wanted to at least mention it. So beyond that, June 7th through June 11th, we are looking at above normal precipitation patterns, which coincides with what I just showed you in the previous slide. And then of course, conversely, the temperature outlook, which is below normal temperatures favored for our area, which also lends back to that trophy pattern with the low pressure centered right over Idaho and the cooler temperatures expected. Here's our threat matrix. We're looking at, there is a chance for some gusty winds in southwest Montana tomorrow, Wednesday, June 3rd. Very low chance though. And then by Friday, there is that thunderstorm chance combined with wind as the cold front comes through Friday afternoon and evening. Again, Saturday, as we remain unstable and try to get the cold front through, and could be some popcorn showers behind the front, and then heavy rain potential Sunday, even going into early next week. So that's what we're looking at as far as impacts and the weather in the next several days, but we encourage you to join us on Thursday with another look at what to expect then. Thank you.